Today I'm going to show you how to add captions to Riverside. So when you open up a project and you upload a video file, you will automatically have your captions generated over here on the left hand side. But you can also add to these captions over here. There are quite a few little options, but if you want to animate the captions, you want to add some better looking captions, you can go to the right hand side, click over here, and you will now see these are your captions. Now, if you have set up a brand kit, then you will have this option over here. So you'll see this brand over here. You'll see how it will look using your brand kit, and then you have your other presets. So these are all of the presets that you can choose from. So whatever it is that you choose from, you can go ahead, like let's say perhaps we want this one. This one actually looks fantastic. Now, once you have chosen that, right, you have now the option to go ahead, so it's this one here. You can now have the option to click on the style, so you can change what the style actually looks like. You can also change the font, so there's quite a few options here. Let's make it look weird. And then you have the size. Okay, so here you can see what different sizes there are, and then you can change how many lines they're in. Okay, so if you want them in 1 line, 2, 3, goes up to 5. If you just want single words popping up as it's being said, here you can change their animations. So either no animation, you can have them highlighted, you can scale them, put them in a box, you can reveal them, reveal up, karaoke style, reveal scale, and a few other options. You can also change the color over here, and then the highlighted color, and then the case, of course you can move that up and down, alignment, and then the corner radius on the box that is behind them. Okay, so you can either have it quite hard, so very round, or quite square. And over here you can see your caption presets, which is this right over here on the right hand side. Now once you're done with all of this, then you'll have your captions and you can go and export your video.